Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. So before I get started with my hair tutorial today, I have some exciting news. I have just finished my first 6 months of Sugar Bear hair vitamins, and I'm super pleased with the results and just the progress that I've achieved over the past months. Before I get started and explain how I achieved this hairstyle, I want to let you guys know of some facts about these vitamins. They are the first vegetarian ones that are out there in the market, and that's super important to me, so I thought why not share it with you guys. And also these vitamins are super delicious in the fact that I will never forget to take them the next day. I always remember 2 in the morning, and honestly I could finish the rest in a day, which is probably not a good idea. But also these vitamins in general are just supposed to help with the strength and the health of your curls, and that's exactly what it's done for me. And honestly, I have not taken my 2 today, so I'm gonna go ahead and just treat myself. But anyways, if you guys are interested to see how I achieved this hairstyle, achieving it through the braid-out method, please continue watching and I hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so I just finished with cleansing my curls and then used a microfiber towel just to get the excess water out. I don't want it to be completely drenched, so I went ahead and dried it a little. So I'm going to go ahead and apply a leave-in conditioner throughout all of my hair from Garnier Fructis, just so I can add some moisture back into my curls. When I section off my curls, I want the other parts I'm not working on to stay moisturized. To make sure that the products get evenly distributed, I'm just going to add just a little bit more water to apply into my hair and then comb through it to get any knots out and to make sure it's as smooth as possible. So for this braid out, I went ahead by using Shea Moisture's Jamaican Black Castor Oil, Lock and Braid Butter. I absolutely love this product because it has shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar within the formula. It adds so much moisture into my curls and really nourishes them while in this hairstyle. As you guys can see, I'm going to go ahead and start braiding my hair. I'm going to section it into 3 parts and really make sure to keep the braid as tight as possible. This will ensure a lot of shape that will hold into your curls to provide that look that we're going for. To help with keeping the braid tight, I like to braid just a part of a section and then really tighten it by pulling my hair. Once I get down to the bottom, I like to twist the ends to make sure that the hair will not come out while I'm working on the other sections. Just to clarify, depending on how big you make your sections will result in the type of curl you'll form once the hair has dried. So if you go for bigger sections, your curls will have less shrinkage and will also kind of look a little bit more wavy. But once you go to smaller sections, you'll have tighter curls and probably a little bit more shrinkage due to the many braids that would be all throughout your hair. As you guys can tell, I'm just repeating the same process all throughout my hair by adding moisture, then detangling, and then adding the product into it before braiding. It's important to remember when sectioning your curls for the braids to section it the way you would normally part your curls when you would do a normal wash and go. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like completely braided out. I think I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 braids in my hair. So I'm just gonna let my hair dry for about a day and a half. I will undo them tomorrow night and show you guys the final results. I'm gonna go ahead just for fun and put some of these into my hair to see what it looks like if I wanted to accessorize them, just if I feel like going out with my hair like this. I've never seen myself like this in a really long time. So I'm just gonna add these little gold thingies that they're from Amazon. And so they're just clip-ins that you put into your hair. If you guys like these hair accessories, I will have them linked down below in the description box just for you guys to go ahead and check out. To help with keeping the braids in, I'm going to go ahead and apply the clips at the bottom of each braid. This allows the hair to stay in place while I'm about to sleep. Well, okay guys, so it took about a day and a half for my hair to completely dry. I'm going to go ahead and apply an oil all throughout my hair from Garnier Fructis. This will add some shine prior to me opening up the braids. I'm going to also add the oil to my hand so that when undoing each braid, I don't add any frizziness or break the texture of the curls. It's important to also take your time when undoing these braids. It'll ensure that the end results will be frizzless as well as look as best as they can. As you guys can tell, the end results are a bit different than my normal wash and go. I don't get as much volume, so I'm going to go ahead and take a hair pick to pull out some of the curls and separate them just a bit. Alright guys, so this is it for the hair tutorial. I hope you guys found it fun and easy to follow along. I'm going to go ahead and separate the curls some more just to add some more volume back into it. But I will have all of the products listed down below in the description box. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. And don't forget to like, comment, and or subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.